Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to on hotspot in iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to put on the hotspot so that your other devices can easily connect to it using the Wi-Fi hotspot and its password, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to on iPhone hotspot, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on personal hotspot. Then once you selected personal hotspot, come here and tap allow others to join. Now once you tap allow others to join, you should see it means where people can just connect to your iPhone hotspot. Then if some other devices are not able to connect to your iPhone hotspot, just scroll down and locate maximize capability. So if this is disabled, just go ahead and turn this. Then you should see your personal hotspot turned on. Now in some devices, it's going to show hidden hotspot. To make the hotspot flexible, just come to the personal hotspot page like this. So while on this page, other devices will be able to discover your iPhone personal hotspot. So that's one of the ways that you can use to on personal hotspot on iPhone. Another way you can use to on personal hotspot on iPhone, after setting up your iPhone, just go to your iPhone control center like this. On the control center, locate the personal hotspot button on iOS 18. Just click on the connectivity button. Then once you selected that, turn on mobile data. Then after turning on your mobile data, just come down here and locate personal hotspot and then click on it once. Then once you click on it once, you see discoverable. That means your personal hotspot will be discoverable on your iPhone. And this is going to turn on the personal hotspot. And if you go back to your iPhone settings, you should see that the personal hotspot is turned on. Also, you can also turn on personal hotspot on your iPhone if you go to mobile service or cellular service. Select that, and then under that, there is a feature called personal hotspot as well. Then click on that, and then here, just come here and turn on allow others to join. You can click on Wi-Fi password to change your Wi-Fi password or personal hotspot password on your iPhone. So that is basically how to on hotspot in iPhone. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.